enzyme concentration and the substrate size. So the correct option is D, substrate size. The next MCQs is the Michaelis Menten constant is defined as the substrate concentration at which the reaction rate is A maximum, B half of its maximum, C double its initial rate, and D 0. So the correct option is B, half of its maximum. The next MCQ is which type of inhibition occurs when the inhibitor binds only to the enzyme substrate complex, reducing the enzyme's activity. A. Competitive inhibition. B. Non-competitive inhibition. C. Uncompetitive inhibition. And D. Allosteric inhibition. So the correct option is C. Uncompetitive inhibition. The next MCQ is enzyme activity can be measured by A. Decrease in substrate concentration over time, B. Increase in product concentration over time, C. Both A and B, and D. Only B. So the correct option is C. Both A and B. The next MCQ is which of the following enzyme is involved in the process of DNA replication? A. Amylase, B. DNA polymerase, C. Lipase, and D. Sucrase. So the correct option is B, DNA polymerase. The next MCQ is allosterotic enzymes are characterized by A. Having only one active site, B. Being regulated by molecules that bind to sites other than the active sites, C. Their inability to be inhabited, and D. Having a single subunit. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the transition state in enzyme catalyzed reaction is A. The state with the highest energy, B. The point of which enzyme and substrate are separated, C. The state with the lowest energy, and D. The point where enzyme and products are separated. So the correct option is A. The state with the highest energy. The next MCQ is which of the following is an example of a coenzyme? A. Zinc, iron, and carbonic anhydrase. B. Heme and hemoglobin. C. NAD plus and dehydrogenases. And D. Magnesium, iron, and ATPase. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the active site of an enzyme. A. It is rigid and does not change shape. B. Is flexible and can change shapes to accommodate the substrate. C. Is located at the enzyme surface. D. Is located far from the surface of the enzyme. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following statement about enzyme catalysis is false? A. Enzyme decrease the activation energy of a reaction. B. Enzyme alter the equilibrium of a reaction. C. Enzyme do not get consumed in the reaction. And D.